Hi, how are you? I do hope that you are excited for our part 2 session of our Let's Study This. Okay, this is all about electronic configuration. Just make sure that prepare na yung notebook, ballpen, at saka if meron kayo dyang hinahawakang periodic table, then kailangan nandyan yan. Pero kapag wala, pwede naman din picture lang from your phone or from your book or for your other reference. Okay? Maybe we can start now. So, what is electron configuration? Take note that in an atom, electrons and the nucleus interact to make the most stable arrangement. The way in which electrons are distributed in the different orbitals around the nucleus of an atom is called, very good, it is electron configuration. Just highlight this, distributed in the different orbitals. Again, distributed in the different orbitals. Next, so electron configuration, very good. It is also known as the arrangement of electrons in an atom. We have here one example of a sodium element. We have an Na chemical symbol, and its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Now, kindly highlight this exponent or superscript of 2, 2, 6, and 1. These are our electrons, and if you can add them, kung i-total niyo muna, i-plus niyo muna tanan, then it will came up with 11, and 11 atomic number or 11 chemical element with 11 electrons is also known as sodium. So makikita nyo, yung electron configurations, malalaman natin kung anong klaseng chemical symbol, chemical element yan. Okay? There are 3 rules to determine the electron configuration. So we have the AUFBAU principle, the Pauli exclusion principle, at saka the Hans rule. Again, 3 rules to determine electron configurations: AUFBAU, Pauli exclusion, and Hans rule. For AUFBAU principle, each electron occupies the lowest energy orbital available, like filling the hotel from the bottom up. So of course, we have to start from the lowest part or lowest energy. So, anong lowest energy natin? S or D? Very good. It is S. So we have to start from S. And then after that, okay, I want you to observe our AUFBAU diagram. We have here the S level, the P level, D level, at saka yung F level. From the lowest to the highest. Okay, next, how to fill in the orbitals in correct order. So we have to start here and move along the arrows one by one. Okay, so try to check 1S and then follow to 2S. After the 3S agad, no. You have to go with the 2P and then 3S. 4S agad? No. You have to go with 3P, 4S, and so on. It is used to find the order of energy levels and orbitals. Again, the correct order 1S, then 2S, and then 2P, and then 3S. Ito kasi yung common mistake ng mga students natin. So you have to follow this, no? According to AUFBAU principle. You can also find a better way, a better illustration na nandyan sa periodic table, no? Naka-arrow na talaga yan para di mo maglibo. Okay? If meron akong nandito tayo sa face-to-face, pinagagawa ko lang yung student ko ng formula card para kasi mahirap itong i-memorize. So, ang ginagawa na lang natin is pinasusulat ko agad yung correct order ng orbitals. Okay? Next, I want you to observe your periodic table and try to check the S level group. We have 1A and 2A. Again, this is the group, no? Yung vertical, tama ba? Okay. And then we have the row 1 to 7. Ilang rows tayo? 1 to 7. And then ilang groups tayo? From 1A, 2A, up to 8A. And then this middle part, ito yung group ng 3B. Okay, or the sinasabi ng 3B up to 12B. And then the green part, ito yung F. S group, S level, these are the A, 1 and 2. P level, we have the 3, 4 to 8A. So actually, madali natin yung makikita mamaya. Okay. Next, for Pauli exclusion, a maximum of 2 electrons may occupy a single orbital. So you have to fill only 2 electrons sa isang orbital. Okay, 1 orbital equals 2 electrons. Do not forget that. For Hahn rule, if 2 or more orbitals of equal energy are available, for example, 1s, SPDF, yung P natin, ilang orbital si P? Tatlo. Orbital means yung box, no? Tatlong boxes yan. So therefore, if so 2 or more orbitals yan at the same or equal energy, okay, kailangan electrons will occupy them singly with the same spin. So we have to start 1, okay, upper or up, first arrow up lahat bago ka babalik sa isang orbital. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay, spin is denoted with an up or down arrow. So actually they are also electrons. Okay, this is like trying to find your own room in the same suite before having to share a room with someone else. So, mura nagapangita pa si electron sa iyang room bago siya magbalik o bago siya makishare. Okay, so try to check our example of sodium element. Okay, we have 1s, so 1 and 2, then followed by 2s, 1 and 2. Per orbital, per box, orbital or box natin, dalawang electrons. So that's why S. 1s2, no? 2s2. In 2p, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, okay, same energy level, okay, but 2 or more orbitals. So ilang electrons ang kaya niya? 6. Okay, then we have 2p6 and 3s1. Then, please try to check 1s, okay, very good, 2s, and then 2p, and then 3s. Okay, next, there are exceptions to electron configurations like copper and chromium. Okay, it should be yung naka-bold lang na part it should be 3d4, 3d4 and 4s2, but actually it is 3d5, 4s1. Try to check in your periodic table so that you can see the difference. 3d9, 4s2, 3d10, 4s1. Some configurations violate the AUFBAU principle because half-filled sublevels are not as stable as filled sublevels, but they are more stable than other configurations. So, it's all about the stability ng ating chemical, no? Half-filled sublevels are not as same stable sa filled sublevels. Okay, so electronic configuration, I want you to remember that marami kayong makikitang data dito. Now, for one, you can entail that this is row number from the periodic table, yung row. Ilang rows yun? 1 to 7. Yung nasa horizontal ng periodic table, ito yung row. Can you see it? Again, row 1, row 2, up to 7. Yung S natin, ito yung subshells. So, kung S, remember, they are assigned as S, P, D, or F. Okay? Nakikita nyo kanina yung pinakita kong diagram na S sublevel, and saka merong P level, at saka D level, F level. Yung 1, yung superscript, ito yung group number niya. Ano yung group? Group 1, group 2. Yung vertical part ng ating periodic table. Okay. And then we have a number of valence electrons. If we're going to total it, ito yung atomic number niya. Okay. Now, what element has an electron configuration of 1s1? So, 1, meaning to say, makikita ito sa row 1. Okay, nakita niyo na ba? Row 1. Okay, so wala na rin yung pangitao. Ay, na-add to kay row 7, row 6. Na siya sa row 1. Okay, row 1 is katungan na. Row 1. Pinakauna siya, pinakauna. Then, S. So, sa ato pa, na siya sa S level. Okay? And then 1. 1 means valence. Anong chemical symbol na merong 1 valence electrons or atomic number? Very good. It is hydrogen. Okay? That is why it's very important to know about what is electronic configuration. Okay? Skip tayo dyan. So, yung sinasabi ko row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have group 1, 2, up to A. So, we have D, F. So, D and F are also special. That is why yung electronic configurations ng mga chemical elements dito hindi magtutugma sa mga principles nila AUFBAU. Why? Kasi they are special, no? About the stability ng configuration nila. D and F. So, most of the time, gagamit lang tayo ng mga chemical symbols dito sa 1A, 2A, and in this part. Okay? So, we are now on the last part. Quantum mechanical model of the atom is what? The current description of electrons in atoms. Again, let me remind you that it does not describe the electron's path around the nucleus. The quantum mechanical model is also what? Based on several ideas. Imagine how many scientists ang nag-develop nitong klaseng model, no? So, like Schrödinger, Heisenberg. Okay? Next. Ayan. Ito yung natin. Do not forget our basic feature ng atom, no? We have 1s orbital, 2s orbital, we have the part nucleus, 2p, and 3s. Okay. So, congratulations, is bravocado, no? You're able to learn some major concepts of our quantum mechanical model. Again, do not stop learning here in my slides. Okay, the more you know, the more you urge to research pa about these concepts. Okay? So, later, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung let's practice video kung paano magsulat or how to illustrate the correct electron configurations. Okay, good luck and goodbye.